A. A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for bees. Bee means madhumakhi. C. C for car. Car means car. D. D for dragonfly. Dragonfly means julaha. E. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F. F for fox. Fox means lomri. Z. Z for guitar. Guitar means guitar. H. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means baraf malai. J. J for jam. Jam means murabba. K. K for kettle. Kettle means ketli. L. L for lion. Lion means sher. M. M for monster. Monster means rakshas. N. N for number. Number means number. O. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P. P for pencil. Pencil means pencil. Q. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R. R for robot. Robot means robot. S. S for sun. Sun means suraj. T. T for train. Train means train. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V. V for vegetable. Vegetable means sabjiyan. W. W for wizard. Wizard means jadugar. X. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Yak means barfila saad. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.